We're going to learn in this sequence of videos how to combine cells and to pull them apart. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write the in date. So we have in the data set the in month and the year. So this is 7 July 2018. So I would like to write July 2018. I'd like to write it in the same cell, like this. Okay, so I need to concatenate three things: the 7, the month, the slash, and then the year. The word is concatenate, put strings together. So we're going to concatenate, and then it just says add the text separated by commas. So we want to concatenate the in month, comma. Then we want to put the slash, and this is text. So I'll put quotes around it, slash, and then we want to put the in year. Okay, now something else that I want to do, I want that to be a date format. So I'm going to click on that cell, right click, and have it format cells. And there are all these different formats, and I want date to be selected. Let me go back there. And it has it, there are lots of different formats that you could make it, but I'm going to have it do this one, the month slash the year. So I want it to read it that way. And so now I'm going to copy that down. And so we have all of the dates, the in dates. Let's do the same thing for the out dates. So the animal left equals the out month. We'll concatenate the out month, comma, then we're going to put quotes around our slash because we want that to be text, comma, the out year. Put those together. I'm going to check the format of that cell. The format of that cell is date, and this is good. I want it to look like that. And so we're going to copy that down. Okay. Now, when you have cells that are formatted in the date format, I do want to just mention, you could say, you can pull it back apart. So when you have date formats, like we set those to be, you could say, what is the month of this? And it should be 7. Oops, I have this set as text. So I'm going to do it right here, just where I'm going to play. What is the month of that date? It's 7. You could say, what is the year of this date? And it will say 2018. And if you had chosen a different format, let me go back to format. If you had chosen a format like this, you could do month, day, year. Now we don't have the day information, so I didn't choose that format. So you can pull dates apart just like we put them together if you're using the date format. Let's go ahead and define one more variable, which will be the length of the stay. So the length of the stay, we'll say it equals the when the pet left minus when the pet got there. Here we see it's 0 because the pet left in the same month that it came. We don't have the granularity in the data of knowing days. So a value of 0 here simply means it left the same month that it came. Now let's pull that down one more. This is 61. So it came in March, it left in May. So basically March and April. It looks like this is counting, say, from March 1st to May 1st. So all of March, all of April, And so that would be 61 days. This is 0 days. The next one's going to be 0. That will be 62 because July and August, I just checked, both have 31 days. Good. And we're going to be okay with that definition of that variable. So I will copy that formula for the rest of the column. Okay. Good. I wonder what the longest stay is. Let me just play for a second. What's the maximum of the stay? That the stays are values, column S. So what's the maximum? 1065. Wow, that animal. Which one is that? Let's sort our data. So we'll sort our data. Let's do a custom sort. And the column that we're interested in is column S. So I'll do a custom sort. We're going to sort by, oh, I have this. Let me cancel this for a second. I had that selected. So we'll do a custom sort, highlight that, sort it. We'll actually just, I want to sort the whole thing though. So let me get out of here. Let's do a custom sort. Oh dear, fine. I will select everything, custom sort on column S. See, sometimes you just have to play for a second. It's fine. That's why I'm not remaking the video. It's part of life. Let's go largest to smallest. And so the pet that stayed 1,065 days is Iona. Oh, Iona is a tabby. That's sweet. Unsterilized. I wonder why. How old is Iona? Iona's 6. Was not fixed when Iona came to the shelter. Why? Iona was a stray and then was adopted, and they didn't fix Iona in the shelter. I wonder why. I wonder if Iona has some physical issues. Anyway, that is the pet with the longest stay by far. I'm going to Control Z to undo that, and we'll do the rest in the next video.